Hello there, welcome to your Thursday morning weather update from the Met Office. The risk of heavy rain, snow and ice through today. Lots of weather to contend with if you are travelling. And the risk of ice and some snow showers continues across Scotland. We have a broad yellow warning for snow across northern England, extending down towards the North Midlands and covering mid and northern parts of Wales. Also a snow and ice warning for Northern Ireland. Now this amber warning across the higher ground of Wales translates to some higher levels of snow, up to 25 centimetres in places. A similar situation for Staffordshire, Derbyshire as well as West and South Yorkshire. And again, the risk of some drifting snow could be a problem through the day. A yellow warning for rain also across more southern counties of England as well as the southeast of Wales. So lots of challenging weather out there if you are travelling through this morning, and certainly it's a bitterly cold start to the day across Scotland, but many areas dry with some hazy sunshine. A dry start for Northern Ireland, thickening cloud. You'll find the wind will pick up some strength. Northern counties of England also seeing some haziness through the morning with some brighter weather before this cloud and rain moves in with snow. Already though, heavy rain towards more southern areas, a strong wind, poor visibility on the roads there with surface water, and that snow over the higher ground of Wales as well as the West Midlands. So some challenging weather if you are travelling. So through the morning we watch as this band of rain continues to move northwards, and then it turns to snow across the Midlands and then northern England. By around lunchtime we'll see that cloud thicken enough to produce some rain and snow also across Northern Ireland. Over the higher ground, yes, the risk of this snow could cause problems yet again. But also through the day, we could see snow at lower levels from the Midlands northwards. So problems with slippery surfaces and certainly poor visibility where you see any intense bursts. The rain clears across southern parts of England through the afternoon before more wet weather waiting the wings later on in the day. And we hang on to some drier weather across the far north of England as well as Scotland, away from those snow showers across the far north. Wherever you are, it's a cold day. Across the far south though, temperatures holding up 11 or 12 degrees Celsius. But through evening time, this snow would have reached the North Pennines, covering most of Northern Ireland. A mix of rain pushing in from the south there, a strong wind, and the winds will pick up from the east across Scotland as well, as this warning for snow and ice covers central and southern parts of Scotland overnight as the whole system slowly marches northwards. Heavy showery bursts will follow across more southern areas into the early hours of Friday morning, and some showery bursts of rain continues with snow over the higher ground by this point across Pennine districts, moving up towards border regions. So it could be just about a dry start to the day across some parts of Scotland, central and northern areas certainly. Still wintry showers across the far north, but through Friday, this rain, sleet and snow moves towards central parts. So yes, again, there'll be a risk, particularly if you're travelling and over the higher ground. Showery bursts of rain continue across England and Wales, and this rain will be persistent across eastern counties of England down towards East Anglia through the morning into the afternoon, extending towards the Isle of Man as well as Northern Ireland with some outbreaks of rain through the afternoon. Strong winds for the far north of Scotland through the day, and you can see this wind will be relentless across the eastern side of Scotland, northeast England. Wherever you are, it's a relatively cold day, but the trend is for our weather to turn milder through the weekend. Always a chance of rain or showers though. I'll see you later. Have a lovely day.